Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto this channel, man. I hope that everyone is good. I also now came across a video, a full video. Yes, Senkatel, it's not a full episode because if I cut up it almost a clean, but either way, we're just going to talk about it because and I do not have any clip like I normally have that I show you, and then you see that short trailer and then we talk. But I will put the link that will take you to that video. It's exciting manje, but I hope that everyone is good. You know, this relationship is very, very toxic. Oh, it's very toxic. So why do I always want to say yes this week? Okay, I think we can someone say that yes, this on this week's episode. It's not this week's episode, but yeah, we had Uzama and Ungosendle. So these two have been dating for 4 years. So Guy is the one who wrote to the show, and Ukatele with a girlfriend yakhe. Apparently she is cheating, ubuya ngokuzolala, and nakhona sometimes akabuyi nokubuya, because even ekuseni on the day off when they were about to shoot this episode that you'll see, ugel vele ngathi behambile wayogroova yena, and mayihambile wayogroova because they stay in separate imqasho or places. Ebenendoda enye endlini, le ndoda le beshiye endlini because ubona ke wakhala ngendaba yakhe egroove. Uzama le ndoda yes4 shuthi abanjwa nayo, but now abanjwa nale le ubanjwe isendlini idlala iBVD. Okay, itrunk, but sithi BVD sagcina mva amaBVD. So this guy vele ukhathe vele ebesibhalile kule show for la majita u3. Then what mase sibona nalo mjita lo ayishuthi vele. I think there was also another thing vele amjho ukuthi hawa le ayikho le, but it was already too late because he had already written to the show sekumele nje ukuthi vele beze. Inkinga ke siba sekutheni ukuthi Uzama uyahluleka ukuphendula, uyaphika yena uthi yena akayazi leyo nto ukuthi who is that guy. Understand ukuthi khona umuntu osquatter emzini wakhe or nqashweni wakhe. But now the thing is that uyambona even nangendlela aphendula ngakhona, yabona if vele bekuyinto angayazi vele bengalwa zame ngekhanda, you understand, aphike nje. But unfortunately, because she knows ukuthi kwenzakalani, that's why she reacted the way that she did, and she could not fully explain who is that guy, and ended up saying I am sorry, ngicela ungixolele. Understand? When Unkosenhle said that the guy that he found at indaweni kaZama told him ukuthi Uzama left izolo eyogroove, already we established ukuthi Uzama ukuthi I'm busy. You understand? Busy. Ma busy shuthi even that guy amshiye endlini umshiye naye eyoba busy with somebody else. Likelihood, you understand? Likelihood is that ukuthi Uzama shuthi naye segcine sefika esimeni sokuthi akasaneli. You understand? She's no longer being satisfied. That's why manje esehamba house to house. And then now into another that did also kind of throw me off, because at first I was like, okay, the guy was innocent and stuff like that, and because the guy did mention in that ukuthi Uzinhle once mentioned when she was drunk ukuthi the guy's not good in bed. The drunk part, I think she might have done it when they are drunk, because yalma uphuzile uba nesibindi of saying things, but nakhona futhi kuphinde kube ingozi it's also dangerous to say things or want to say things mawudakiwe, because hey, sometimes you can maybe wrong, yes, because you are not fully yourself mawudakiwe. You are intoxicated, and instead of ukuthi uyibeke kahle into, ngamosheka. Understand? Ngamosheka. That part is very, very risky. And another thing is that asazi ukuthi how did she put it to him when she told him, because now what we establish is that lento ihlalile kuboy. Such conversations, Bafethu, are conversations that we're supposed to have sober. Understand? Sober. I know they might be difficult to have because you do not want to hurt umuntu wakho and stuff like that, but kokunye, it's useless to be in a relationship where you do not feel safe or comfortable to have such conversations. Understand? Another thing, it might also be isimo sokuthi maybe this is your first relationship. You're not used to speaking about tough topics or conversations or having difficult conversations, but they need to be had, especially if you love this person. I feel like you should try by all means to look past the thing you're going to ish. This person can get hurt, but focus on the ish. This person needs to know, and I also want this person in my life. I want to be with this person. So you tell them, but also bear in mind that your delivery is going to be very, very important now, because the delivery is also important. Because there's a different mundo yawe in a beach. This is yawe in a beach. Yes, you deliver. Understand? So even that is very, very important. But even her saying what she said to the guy, it did hurt him. Unfortunately, there are things really that we are going to tell each other as partners that you will not like, provided if I'm telling you ngendlela, I'm telling you in a proper way. Understand? Good ishmina, I'm not satisfied in doing so. Other people don't even like to be told that, but unfortunately, in order for us to grow, you need to know that. If I'm not satisfied, I have to tell you that I'm not satisfied. And if you also do not make any adjustments in terms of trying to get to a point where satisfy, this relationship has to end to avoid such things like this episode. Because now, these people now, oh wait, they're cheating on each other. Okay, the guy cheated with a best friend. That's another big problem, because the best friend umuntu, best friend, sister. Hey, those things are very bad. Oh, they are very, very bad. Me, I do not promote cheating. I don't want to lie to you. Kungcono kodwa mawuchite with umuntu angamazi, but with the best friend, phela umuntu usuyamcrush. You're not only destroying a relationship two, you're also destroying their relationship, relationship yakhe nomngani wakhe. And same thing applied even with umngani wakhe. Umngani wakhe did the same thing. Did not just destroy a relationship yankosenhle nozam, but also in relationship yabo as abangani. Ezinye izinto, guys, we have to look at them and be like, are these things worth doing? Yes, kumnandi for manje, but are we all going to be able to live with that guilt? Abanye kabasanayo guilt, I don't want to lie. Guilt abanye abasanayo. But even this guy was very, very wrong. But now my other thing is also this thing, apparently the guy is the one who started cheating. You understand? So, and he did it, he was caught 3 times. Now, you guys, when it comes to this thing of cheating, that's why I say, if someone cheats on you, you leave. First time, you leave. Understand? Why? You also do not want to start having insecurities. You also do not want to end up being pushed over the edge in terms of now awkward situations. Because another thing that was also scary is when this guy spoke about indaba yesibhamu. when he spoke about indaba yespam, esho ukuthi yena vele akazi noma he was going to do something bad or he would have been 6 feet under. Yabona manje ukuthi if wena zama nawe ubumshile the time ezekushithela, I know the guy would have mhlambe wala or something like that, but if ubumshile now the time ekushithela, ngabe izinto ezisoze gwemekile. And another thing, you can't say you forgive someone but you still harboring that thing deep down ngaphakathi kwakho, and then you bese uyahamba uyosibhubhudla, then you want to come back and masubantu uthi wena kodwa nawe waqala wenza ukuthi. No, you can't use that as an excuse. Once you forgive someone over something, you cannot use that same thing that you forgave them as an excuse. You can't. You can't. I know when you decided you're forgiving him because he cheated on you and with your best friend. You said you forgive them. Keyword is I forgive you. You can't still have a grudge. Best thing is to be like, if she hasn't, can we take his space? Because I want to, okay, I do forgive you, but I'm gonna be right. Yabo. I feel like that was what was at least supposed to happen between the two of them. Because even when the guy spoke about indaba zama-suicides, I'm glad he was able to see Leon Domand, this thing is becoming very, very toxic to a point where I born with naye because of someone else. And you're losing your life over umuntu. Lo muntu always busy who's having the best time of their lives when you be like siyaphela also just like that. Guys, my relationship, if we are born with so toxic, at least tatani break from each other, but have that conversation. After having that conversation, tatama break at least. Leyo ukuthi umuntu uzoncenga cha nake ngikwazi ukuthi mina vele. I see people do have this thing ukuthi yosuka kude, we've come a long way and stuff like that. Yo mina nginayo. Mhlawumbe safa ngidownload lo feature. Anginayo shem. Anginayo. Lekuthi sisuka kude, yo ngeke ngikwazi ukukushiya cha. Mina nje ngihlezi ngiready ukumove on. Yeah. Awu cha ngeke. Lekuthi sisuka kude. Sengifela ukuthi mina nawe singoba sisuka kude. Hayibo guys. Wenza khona uqala into entsha with somebody else, ni push nakhona the same amount of isikhathi. Ngeke sikhalele lesikhathi even wethu vele uthola umuntu othandayo and ukuphatha kahle. Akekho uzosisole. But do not be afraid of starting afresh, especially when it comes to relationships or anything nje vele in life. Yes, kubhlungu, but in some instances kuyasibiza. Tell me what you think about this episode down below. And before I wrap this up, I want to say, sorry, guys. I wanted to say ukuthi umuntu mase ngasakufuna akasakufuni, and umuntu mase ethi umuntu uyakushiya miyeke akushiye. Kwezinye inkathi it's for your own good. I thought I was in God. It's always for your own good. Even if kubhlungu kumnandi, it's for your own good. Because you are with this guy, he is sketchy and than us in terms of doing something that is very bad as a solar guy. So, and the understand relationship isn't needing abantu bese landa nibaxolele nesibhora. Sure.